and welcome to Cards by Kate Fletcher. I am really excited for today's video because today I am unboxing Sam Calcott's latest Papercraft Society box. This is box number 19 from Papercraft Society. I do subscribe and pay for this myself, but I'll be leaving a link in the description box of this video. And if you sign up, we both save money off a box. But without further ado, let me show you what is in this beautiful, beautiful box. It looks to be an underwater theme box. There's lots of stingrays and fish. Look how gorgeous just this box is on its own. So let's jump into seeing what's inside. So the first thing we have is a message from Sam which says, underwater themed cards have always been a favourite of mine. I hope you have as much fun making them as I do. Oh my goodness, look at this. How beautiful is that? This is so exciting. So we have that, which contains the goodies. And then we have some extra bits in here. This kind of looks like wet sand. I'm guessing that was an intentional thing, but that's what it reminds me of. Now I also have a voucher here to get 10% off of Made to Surprise at Craft Stash. So I won't share that voucher code, but that's what you get in the box. So let's start with this stunning, stunning wallet. Look at that. I love the artwork on this. It's just beautiful. And we have shells inside it as well. So the next thing it says, these fun stamps and dies will work on many card shapes. Which ones will you make? The first thing we have are some amazing dies. So we have, now I don't know like how this box is designed to go, but that looks like a penny slider die, and so does that one. So we'll find out more as we go through the box, but that kind of is what that makes me think of. And look, we have a treasure chest, and we have the pearl, we have the sea tide, an anchor, the stingray. These are really lovely, lovely dies. So that's exciting. Okay, let's just put those back in here for a minute. Right, the next section says, experiment and create your own original backgrounds with inks and stencils. Oh, we've got a stencil. That's fun. I like that, because you could kind of stencil around the outside, but you've also got the underwater bits on the inside as well. And printed vellum. I really like printed vellum. I don't use it on my cards, but I do use it in my journaling, so that is where that will go. But that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's beautiful. So this is cardstock, but how beautiful is that? You can just imagine like dolphins swimming alongside you there. Well, I can anyway. That's gorgeous. So we have two of those. I'm really sorry about my noisy neighbours. I'm hoping it's not coming across too much on the camera. Wow, look. That's like a cartoon. I like that. It's almost like Sharky and George are going to appear. If you know who Sharky and George are. And what is next? So we have two of those ones, and then we have, that reminds me of a fish tank, but that's really beautiful. Really, really lovely artwork. Oh yay, look, we have this gorgeous, gorgeous pattern that's all over the box. This is going in my journal. I'm not going to use all of this on card. We do get two, so that's fab, but I want to keep one of these. I think that's really, really beautiful. I really, really like that. So yeah, one of those will go in my journal. So that is some of the papers we get, and we've got the vellum and a stencil. And the last section says, don't forget to use those little stamps and dies for the final touches and details. And we have the stamp set. So got the stingray, which I'm thinking that die will cut out. Sorry, I had that upside down. Yellow submarine, got the puffer fish. Long time no see. It's Oh Fish Ali, your special day. Let's celebrate good times. So sophisticated. Have a fantastic day. They're fun puns. I love him. Look how cute that little seahorse is. That is adorable. And I like the little crab there as well. So there's some really, really cute stamps. So now let's have a look in the extras and see what goodies we have in here. It does remind me of wet sand. Ooh, what are these? Water bead drops. Wow, look at those. Like those. Let's just get some out on my hand. Those are brilliant. Look at those. And that is an indent. It is showing up quite well. So those are fun. I wonder what adhesive we use. I'm guessing something quite strong. Those are really nice. I like those. And you get loads. Look how many are in there. Yeah, I really like those. Then we get 2 inks. So we've got a blue and like the wet sand type one. We have a beautiful card. Don't rush it, create little masterpieces. And on the back is top tips for fussy cutting. And that's handy to have. I'm liking the look of this already. Oh wow, look at all this card. Okay. Let's open these up and see what we have. This is stunning. Look at that. I really like that. Oh, what is wrong with mine though? Look, I've got a weird line down mine. Is it coated or is it in a packet? Because I've got another weird line here. I wonder if it's in a packet. Oh, I don't know what that is. It kind of peels off of that backboard. But I'm not going to play with that too much. I'm going to look in the box and actually find out what that is, because I don't want to break it if it's not supposed to peel off. But that is stunning. And then we have, look at this gorgeous blue. I really like this colour. It's like non-shed glitter card. And we just have the 2, but in varying degrees of blue. That one's my favourite. That's a beautiful, beautiful colour. The dark blue is nice, but I really like this aquamarine kind of colour. We have those. Right, then we have our book. So in here is loads of inspiration, and there'll be probably a little interview with Sam. So let's just find, this page tells you everything that is in the book. So really quickly, I just want to have a look and see. Oh, it's mother of pearl cardstock. Okay. So I don't think that's actually supposed to peel. I wonder if mine's just faulty. That's disappointing if it is. I don't want to play with it. But can you see? So mother of pearl cardstock. I mean, you could die cut it, it'd be fine. It's just a shame about around the edges. Never mind. Might email Craft Stash and see what they say, but that's what that was. Okay, so anyway, there's over £60 worth of stuff, as you can see. And then all through here is inspiration using the box. There'll be a little interview with Sam there. So, yep, really nice. We'll have a look at that later. And then we have coordinating cardstock, which is always really good quality card. I'm just gonna snip this for speed. So we have 2 pieces of light blue, 2 pieces of a slightly darker blue, then we have proper dark blue, and then we have this nice wet sand colour. Really like that. And that's all of the cardstock. Okay, so that is what came in this month's box. I think everyone can agree it was a really good box, but we knew it would be with the Queen of Craft making the box, because she always puts her all into everything. So really chuffed that I have got this box, and I cannot wait to use it. I think my favourite bit, if I'm honest, is probably that patterned paper cardstock. I just love this. It's just beautiful. But yeah, these ink pads are great as well. I do use my Papercraft Society ink pads a fair bit, and they're really nice ink pads. I think they're hybrid ink, I've heard. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I hope everyone's enjoyed seeing what's been inside. Let me know if you've got the box, and if you did, which bit is your favourite. I'm really looking forward to using these water drop beads as well. I think they're going to be really fun. Also, if anyone has the box, let me know if your mother of pearl cardstock was the same as mine, or whether mine's faulty, because that would be quite useful to know. The next box is by a lady called Kelly. I've not heard of her before, but it looks like a really fun box, so definitely come back next month to see the unboxing for that. I hope everyone is safe and well. I will be back soon with some more videos, so until then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.